Concussions are another condition that come through our clinic regularly. The reason why that's a regular condition is Western medicine is really good at making sure there isn't like a brain bleed or something like that when you have a hit to your head or a concussion. Good at evaluation, but they don't really do anything for actual treatment. They just kind of send you home to rest, which is appropriate. But other disciplines actually do things to try to heal the brain itself. You have fluid around the brain that is supposed to be a pad to the brain. And so one problem with concussions is when you have a concussion, have another concussion and another concussion, that fluid can actually, the cranium itself can collapse in, and we're talking millimeters, okay, over time. And what that does is that reduces the fluid around your brain. So you lose your internal helmet. So one way we try to get that fluid back around the brain is by moving the cranium back up. We use a technique called Cranio Key to do that. And it has been very effective for people with concussions. I just had a guy in yesterday that it literally saved the guy's life. He just couldn't function until we did Cranio Key, and then he could function again almost immediately. Because almost immediately, that fluid is back into place, and you have a part of your brain that actually builds more of that fluid back up called the choroid plexus over time, and then you get that back that you had when you were a little kid before you had concussions. So I think we can most of the time do some reversal for concussive injury, and you don't have to worry about having future concussions as much. Another part to that is Chinese medicine. There are herbals we can use in Chinese medicine that once we know there's no brain bleed there, we can either calm the brain down and the nervous system down to help healing, or we get more flow through the brain to help more healing. So obviously if there's a brain bleed, we don't want to do that. We want to know about that first, so we get that all checked out as we need to. Another discipline we use with concussions regularly is homeopathy. And homeopathy is great because it's been around a long time. One of the very first remedies used regularly in homeopathy was for bruising and concussions, because a concussion is basically a bruise of the brain material. The matter of the brain gets bruised in a sense. And so what these remedies, the main one is called arnica, and what we'll do is we'll check to see if we can tell which level of arnica actually works the best. So with homeopathic remedies, it's all about getting the right remedy at the right dosing level to actually get the result we want. So if you don't get the result you want, we want to just change the dosing or change the remedy. So sometimes we'll do a basic one like arnica, or sometimes we'll actually get you to our homeopath, Sue, or a homeopath to actually get the remedy that fits for your concussive type. So it doesn't have to be a slow process all the time. Sometimes we can really speed them up, and sometimes they take a little time. So it depends on the case.